Number 1. 1986 Ford F150 302 EFI, $3,500, Austin, Texas. This 1986 Ford F150 represents a solid square-body era pickup with strong mechanical investment. Powered by a 302 cubic inch electronic fuel injection V8, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it offers reliability potential once fully sorted. The seller installed a brand new short block using original components, along with a new torque converter, dual new fuel tanks, fresh windshield, new cab seals, and new carpet. With 200,000 miles showing and fair overall condition, this truck is best viewed as a mechanically refreshed project with long-term value for enthusiasts who appreciate late 1980s Ford trucks. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet C20, $4,000, Montrose, Colorado. This 1983 Chevrolet C20 3/4-ton pickup is a classic square-body workhorse with strong fundamentals. It features a later model 5.7-liter fuel-injected V8 from the late 1980s or early 1990s, matched to an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The long bed, solid running condition, and good tires make it practical, while minor rust and a non-functioning air conditioner reflect typical age-related wear. With a clean title and honest condition, this is an affordable entry into classic heavy-duty Chevrolet ownership. Number 3. 1989 GMC 1500, $6,900, Broomfield, Colorado. This 1989 GMC 1500 stands out due to its exceptionally low original mileage of 97,000 miles. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and drives excellent with no mechanical issues, leaks, or rust. The clean Colorado title and well-maintained condition make this truck a strong survivor from the late square-body transition era. It is ideal for collectors seeking originality or drivers wanting a dependable classic pickup. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet 3500 Dually Single Cab, $13,000, Stanwood, Washington. This 1982 Chevrolet 3500 Dually is an impressive example of a heavy-duty classic pickup. Owned by its original owner and always garage kept, it features a big block 454 cubic inch V8 with only 55,000 original miles and a manual transmission. Upgrades include new Cooper tires, dual exhaust, a Rhino-line bed, and a Texas-style headache rack. With excellent condition and strong originality, this truck appeals to collectors and serious haulers alike. Number 5. 1986 Ford F150 Inline-6, $12,500, San Diego, California. This exceptionally clean 1986 Ford F150 is powered by the legendary inline 6-cylinder engine known for durability and smooth operation. Paired with an automatic transmission, this long bed pickup offers comfort, reliability, and classic appeal. Extensive paperwork documents engine and transmission work, and the truck features a bed liner, excellent tires, and a striking blue interior. With low mileage, a clean title, and current registration, this is a turnkey classic daily driver. Number 6. 1984 Toyota Pickup 4-wheel drive, $14,750, Grass Valley, California. This 1984 Toyota Pickup is a highly desirable classic compact truck with 4-wheel drive and a manual transmission. Owned within the same family since new, it has clearly been well cared for and not abused. The 4-cylinder engine is known for longevity, and recent work includes a new clutch and brakes. With 164,000 miles, clean title, and strong mechanical condition, This truck is increasingly collectible among vintage Japanese truck enthusiasts. Number 7. 1950 Ford F3, $17,200, Comanche, Iowa. This 1950 Ford F3 is a beautifully preserved post-war heavy-duty truck featuring a flathead V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. With 49,000 actual miles and only 2 owners since new, it retains excellent authenticity. The truck has been repainted, shows minimal rust, and runs and drives very well. Given its originality, condition, and classic styling, it represents a strong value in early Ford truck history. Number 8. 1956 Chevrolet 3100 short wheelbase, $17,500, Queen Creek, Arizona. This 1956 Chevrolet 3100 short wheelbase pickup is a classic icon of 1950s American truck design. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a column-shifted manual transmission, it runs excellent and retains strong originality. With over $15,000 in documented restoration work, excellent door fitment, and no rust issues, this truck benefits from long-term ownership and careful maintenance, making it a solid driver quality classic. Number 9. 1969 GMC 2500 4-wheel drive stepside, $19,000, Ocean Shores, Washington. This 1969 GMC 2500 Camper Special is a rare 4-wheel drive stepside with an 8-foot bed and a 4-speed manual transmission. Powered by the original 307 cubic inch V8, it features power steering and factory air conditioning, though the air conditioning is currently inoperative. Significant mechanical updates include a fully rebuilt rear end in 2024 and a completely refreshed fuel system. With honest mileage and long-term ownership history, this truck is an excellent candidate for continued use or restoration. Number 10. 1989 Ford F350 4-wheel drive dually flatbed, $18,500, Roseville, California. This 1989 Ford F350 dually is a well-documented 2-owner truck powered by a 7.5-liter electronic fuel injection V8 and a manual transmission. It remains largely original with numerous recent upgrades, including new tires, shocks, lighting, exhaust components, windshield, and flatbed refinishing. With low mileage, clean title, and extensive receipts supported by a Marti report, this truck offers both collector appeal and serious utility. Number 11, 1986 Ford F250 four-wheel drive, $16,999, Salkum, Washington. This highly modified 1986 Ford F250 combines classic styling with significant performance upgrades, featuring a professionally built high-horsepower Lincoln Roller V8 producing over 400 horsepower, paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. This truck is built for power and presence. Additional features include Raptor-coated paint, upgraded exhaust, premium wheels and tires, canopy top, and spare transfer case. This is a bold, enthusiast-focused classic truck. Number 12, 1986 Ford F350 XLT Lariat four-wheel drive, $22,000, Corrales, New Mexico. This 1986 Ford F350 XLT Lariat is a luxury-oriented heavy-duty classic truck with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. It features factory amenities such as tilt steering, air conditioning, heat, and a bedliner. While listed with a parts-only title status, its strong appearance and desirable trim level make it noteworthy. Buyers should carefully evaluate title requirements, but the truck itself reflects the upscale side of 1980s Ford pickups. Number 13, 1970 Ford Highboy, $21,000, Mosier, Oregon. This 1970 Ford Highboy is a highly sought-after four-wheel drive pickup known for its elevated stance and rugged capability. Equipped with a manual transmission and V8 power, this truck has benefited from extensive new and rebuilt components, all supported by receipts and documentation. With rolled-over mileage and delivery available, it represents a strong foundation for collectors who appreciate classic off-road Ford trucks. Number 14, 1954 Chevrolet 3100 5-window, $25,000, Victorville, California. This 1954 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup blends classic styling with modern drivability. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it features power windows, upgraded brakes, and a rebuilt transmission. Extensive documentation supports the restoration and upgrades. With its desirable 5-window cab and tasteful modifications, this truck offers both visual appeal and comfort. Number 15, 1930 Ford Model A pickup, $24,000, Orland, California. This 1930 Ford Model A pickup is an exceptional example of early American automotive history. Retaining its original flathead engine and manual transmission, it runs and drives well despite being nearly 100 years old. With excellent condition, clean title, and strong originality, this vehicle offers collectors a rare opportunity to own a functional and authentic pre-war pickup. Number 16, 1938 Ford F1 Custom, $25,000, New River, Arizona. This 1938 Ford F1 Custom truck is a well-executed driver-quality build, combining vintage styling with proven Chevrolet V8 power. It features a 1961 Corvette, 283 cubic inch engine, turbo 350 transmission, upgraded rear end, front disc brakes, and vintage air conditioning. With approximately 12,000 miles since restoration, it offers classic looks with modern usability, making it an enjoyable and distinctive classic truck.